Say goodbye to gray hair permanently with just 3 simple ingredients. This method is proven to be 100% effective, so make sure to save this video and not miss out. Your hair will regain its natural color effortlessly. To start, gather your 3 essential ingredients. Begin with cloves, which are known for restoring your hair's natural color. Take a tablespoon of cloves and place them in a saucepan. Next, collect onion peels. They are rich in antioxidants and protect your hair from premature aging. Add the onion peels to the saucepan. Use 2 tea bags of black tea, as black tea is excellent for darkening white hair. Add a cup of water to the saucepan. Now, follow these steps to prepare the mixture. Bring the saucepan to a boil and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Keep it on the heat until the water's color darkens. Strain the mixture using a sieve and store it in a glass jar for daily use. You can also keep it in the refrigerator for an extended period. Apply the mixture to your hair from the roots to the tips using a spray bottle. Cover your hair with a bathing cap or plastic wrap. Leave it on for 2 hours, then rinse your hair with water only, without using shampoo. Repeat this recipe twice a week, and you'll witness gradual and permanent restoration of your hair's natural color, with incredible results from the very first use. If you found this information valuable, please comment with the word hair and follow for more tips. Thank you for watching.